Hello friends, it's Becca Robbins here with this crazy adventure called Life, where I help you make memories amid the chaos, whether at home or on the road. And I am here today with another Disneyland area hotel room tour. I love doing these room tours for you guys, showing you hotels in the Disneyland Resort area that may be a good fit for your family. And today I'm at the Clarion. It is located right next to the convention center and right across the street from the Toy Story parking lot. So you can just walk across and hop on a Toy Story shuttle and head to Disneyland. Super easy. So I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to give you guys a room tour. This is a family suite, so it is a little bit bigger than their standard room, but it doesn't actually cost much more than their standard room. So I definitely suggest booking a family suite if you stay here. So let's get on with the room tour. All right, here we are at the entryway to our family suite at the Clarion Hotel near the convention center. And the first thing you have is when you walk in, you will see that there is a closet space, and that closet space has a safe in it and plenty of room for luggage. You have your ironing board, you have your hangers and all that good stuff. And there is a nice shelf up here for putting more stuff. This is where I like to put snacks to keep them out of reach of my kids' hands. And then as you walk in, you will also find right over here is your bathroom. They have several different layouts for their bathrooms, depending on what kind of room you get. So this one has the sink outside the bathroom, but it's still kind of closed off from the rest of the room. So it's secluded, but it also leaves the bathroom open for somebody else to use while you are getting ready. So here's the bathroom. You can tell that it is a little dated in here, but it is still very clean. Plenty of light in here, and you've got, just the shower with the tub, which is great for families, and your toilet in here. And then once again, your sink is out here so that someone else can be getting ready while someone else is taking a shower or using the restroom. And we also have our coffee maker right over here that you can see. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the room. Over to this side, we have a bench that holds whatever you want. You can get ready, put your shoes on. We have a full-length mirror right here so you can get ready in the morning and look at your outfit. And then as you walk in, you have two double beds. Now, I will say this, I wish these were queen beds, because if you have to share a bed, a double bed can get a little tight, especially if you are a little bit poo-sized like my family, or if you're sharing with a kid, because we all know how they crowd you in the bed. All right, you can also see over here we have our nightstand with the plugins in the light there. Pretty standard nowadays. And then as we turn around, we have over here, we have a little living area. And you can see there is, right here is a sofa. This is a pull-out sofa, so you can have a third bed in here. And what I love is it also has the coffee table, which gives you somewhere to sit people down and let them eat. And there's extra room over here, which is great for if you want to let your kids play or whatever. So I'm gonna back up here, let you get a little more view of that. You can see that there. As you come over here, they also have another little table with a couple of chairs where you can sit and eat, and another mirror. We have combination entertainment center and dresser, and you have a microwave in the family suites, and you have this nice large mini fridge. And let me open this up for you. And one thing I will say is that their fridges work really well. The freezer part, this is one of the few fridges I've had where the freezer will actually freeze your ice packs. I haven't put any in this trip, but I've stayed here previously and had that happen. So there you have it. That is the Clarion Hotel at the convention center. That is their family room suite. One last thing I want to end with, guys, is showing you the view from this room. Of course, this is not every room's view, but this is the view that we lucked out with. Now, I want to let you know, I booked this stay with a friend. We did not get any special rates. We did call like the morning we were arriving, letting them know we were coming and that we would probably be showing our room in a tour, but that's really not enough time to switch our room. So I'm pretty sure this is the room we would have gotten either way. So you're probably wondering why I am showing you this view from the hotel room. One, it's kind of a great view. I mean, it's a city view, but it's not bad. But the second reason I'm showing you is because right over there, this is the Sheraton, and right up above there tonight, we will most likely be able to view the fireworks if we are in the hotel room. So it's a great spot if you happen to luck out into a room that is facing Convention Way. You will be able to see the fireworks outside of your window in the evening. I hope you enjoyed this room tour of the Clarion Hotel near the Convention Center. And again, it's right across from the Toy Story parking lot, so you can just walk on over, hop on a shuttle and ride to Disneyland and get out right at the gate, or well, security, which is by the gates. Again, if you want to book this hotel, I definitely suggest booking through my partners at Getaway Today. I do earn a small commission when you book through them, but as always, you get an amazing price. And I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Be sure to check out my other Disneyland area hotel room tours when you're deciding where to stay with your family on your next Disneyland vacation. See you real soon.